Now, for number 8, I want to go over this with you because I think there's a little bit something special right here. So you have the thing right here raised to the 4/3 power, okay, which is cool. So first, let me ask you this. Let me ask you this, okay? If I have 2x, okay, to the 3rd power, right? Just for example, what does it become? Does it become 2x cubed, or does it become 8x cubed? Okay, how do you get 8x cubed? Yeah, 2 times 2 times 2 is right, because this means, right? This means this, right? So that justifies one thing, and that is when you have a power on the outside and there is no addition or subtraction inside the parentheses, you are just multiplying, and therefore we can now distribute the exponents. So that's why we have this. And now we have a little funky exponent right here. It's called 4 over 3. Okay, 4 over 3. Okay. So what does it mean? It means that we're going to distribute. We are going to distribute this exponent into the terms inside. Now, but one thing that is going to be a little bit challenging, and that is how do you look at this negative 27? Okay. Now, there are 2 ways you can look at this. You can look at this as negative 27 as a number, or you can look at this as 2 numbers. Okay, negative 1 times 27. All right, now, but I'm going to just go ahead and put it this way. And now you've got to interpret numbers properly. So my question is, when we look at the exponent, when we look at the fraction in the exponent, what does the denominator mean again? In this case, cube root, right? The denominator means a root, and since it's a 3, it means that it's a cube root. So what's a cube root of negative 27? Negative 3. What is negative 3 raised to the 4th power? Oh, by the way, let me show you one thought process. When we say negative 3 to the 4th power, it simply means this, right? It means this. Let me make sure that we are all practicing the smartest way to process this, okay? Now, what is not so smart is that you just do, well, this is positive 9, right? And then you multiply this, that would be negative 27. And then you multiply this and be like, oh, what is 27 times 3? That's hard on yourself. What's better? What's negative 3 times negative 3? What's 9 times 9? See how easy it is? Okay. So therefore you have 81 over here. Okay. And then, well, is there anything you can cancel out with these 2 exponents right here? The force don't cancel each other out. They're both in the numerators. So there's nothing you can cancel out. So therefore, it's going to go ahead and multiply across. So 16 over 15. And that will be it. 81 times x to the 16 over 15. So again, you got to interpret the numbers. And whenever you have a number that's kind of big and raised to a certain power, that's a fraction, chances are you should be able to simplify it. Should be. Okay.